This is a breaking news report from Channel 5 News on behalf of the London City Council. An explosion has occurred near London Stadium. No casualties have been reported.
And a new report concludes if you're going to demolish a block of flats, you don't really need to wrap it in bin liners. The bin men aren't going to take that lot no matter how much you tip them at Christmas. That was the Framed World News.
Living in the vicinity of the stadium, please evacuate them immediately. Government authorities have reported that more than 70 people have been killed.